This part of the presentation will illustrate licensing setup options for TimingDesigner. We'll cover purchase and evaluation licenses, installing port drivers using Flex ID keys, as well as a couple of brief demonstrations on how to configure the license file and the license manager. And lastly, we'll go over licensing using floating licenses. TimingDesigner uses the FlexLM licensing product from Macrovision, the leading licensing mechanism used throughout the EDA industry. Two licensing methods are available: a node-locked method using a Flex ID hardware key, and a floating method. Both methods require the FlexLM license manager to be configured using the TimingDesigner license files issued at time of purchase. The node-locked method is restricted to Windows-based machines. It uses a Flex ID hardware key on either a parallel port or a USB port and requires the FlexLM license manager, therefore the hardware key, to be installed on the same machine as that requesting the license. We will continue to support parallel port dongles, but all new seats sold from TimingDesigner 9.0 and onward will only have a USB dongle option. By definition, a node-lock method cannot be shared or accessed across a network connection. The floating method only has the restriction that there is a valid license available for checkout. If the license file is configured as a floating license, the license request will be granted based on the validity of the license and the number of seats available. The license server can be the same machine that's running the application or can be on any other network machine. If you're evaluating TimingDesigner, the evaluation license is a 15-day single-seat floating license sent to you through your local value-added reseller. It will provide you with full functionality of the tool for proper feature evaluation and requires license setup just as a purchased floating license does. So let's take a look at how to set up the license mechanisms. The following movie links will provide you with information on the three licensing configurations: evaluation, node-locked, and floating.